like last time.
Look at that.
The time you weren't here, this is nothing like it.
I can't believe all that hail. That is amazing. I'm gonna get some outside shot. Here's my family. Now that is a hailstorm. I don't know if you can see the rooftop. It's just covered with hail. Amazing. It's just golf ball everywhere. I've never ever seen this much hail. Whoops, starting to get hit a little bit. Well, there goes our tree. All the leaves off the tree. Just to give you an idea, this has been a little over a minute. You can see all the hail has accumulated in such a short time. Just amazing. Never seen such hail. Look at that. Like it snowed outside. You can see our roof, it just looks like there's snow on top. Alright, we're going to see what it looks like in the backyard. I can't believe this, Lisa. This much?
Yeah.
I can't believe our windows haven't broken yet.
I believe we had a little more.
Look at the lake outside. Just incredible. Woo! The lake looks like there's millions of fish jumping. Well, it took down a lot of leaves, and it's still going.